Good morning, students. Today we will learn to make duck, and we will be again using our basic shapes that we have learned. So we start with oval, a sleeping oval. Then we will make a circle which will turn into a head, and a slanting oval, the wings of the duck, and also a small tail. Another oval and another one here for the beak. Small eyes. We make another duck, and for that again we will make an oval, a sleeping oval, and a circle which will turn into head, slanting oval, and that's the small tail. But this duck is standing. The other one, the first one, is swimming, but this duck is standing outside. So we have to draw legs. So now we will draw another duck, and this duck is also swimming. The same procedure, but on the other side. This duck has its mouth closed. Now let's make the water. This looks to be waves. Where the duck is swimming, and also let's make a land portion where the duck is standing. This duck looks to be very excited, and it's flapping its wings, and the water is splashing all over. Yes, that's the water. But have you noticed how to make this water? Yes, the pointed side should be towards the duck. Now we will erase the lines which we don't need. So here this line is not needed, so we will remove it. There also you need to erase. So that's why when you draw, you should always draw with soft hands, so that later on you can remove the lines which are not needed. See here also, we have to remove these lines because that's not needed. Similarly, for the other duck, that line is not needed, we will remove that one. There also. Okay. So now we go to the third one. There are lines which needs to be removed. So we will use our eraser. So somewhat our duck is ready, and now we need to make the lines bold. So here we are using yellow color to make the lines bold. We are making the waves. That's the land. So we will color the water part with blue. So now we are going to color the ducks gray. You can choose your own colors and you can do as you like. So all our ducks are similar, they are grayish in color. So here we are making some grass in between. Some are dark green and some are light. And we also put brown in between. Now our ducks are ready. Now it's for you. See the video full and you can also draw and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, all the best. Bye.